Welcome to our tutorial on how to calculate the average in Excel using the simplest method possible. In this quick video, you'll learn the basics of finding averages, so let's get started. The first step is to make sure you have your data entered into Excel. You can see here we have a list of numbers that represent the values we want to average. Now, move to an empty cell where you want the result to appear and type average. After opening the parentheses, simply select the range of cells you want to average. Once you've selected the cells, just press Enter, and Excel will automatically calculate the average for you. Here is a bonus tip. You can use the average function directly by simply writing the numbers separated by commas and then press Enter. It will directly calculate it. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and check out our other content.